Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and play VALORANT Mobile on your phone, even if you're not in China. Yes, you heard that right. As many of you already know, VALORANT Mobile is currently only available in China, and players around the world are still waiting for the official global release. But what if I told you there's a way you can try it early on your iPhone or Android device? The best part? The whole process is super simple and takes only about 10 minutes. Once you're done, you'll be able to experience VALORANT Mobile directly on your phone. Before we jump into the steps, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future updates. Alright, let's get started. First, grab your phone and open any browser. In the search bar, type tap2apps.com exactly as shown, no spaces. Once you're on the website, use the search feature to find the app and tap on it. After that, scroll down and click on the Get button. The installation will start. You may be asked to complete a few quick steps, just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once everything is done, go back to your home screen, and you should see the app installed and ready to use. Simple as that. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.